Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up COI generation with BetterCloud and Insurer portals, detailed guide step by step clearly. To set up COI generation with BetterCloud and Insurer portals, start by logging into your BetterCloud account. Navigate to the dashboard and locate the integrations section. Select the option for Insurer portals. Begin the integration process with your preferred insurer by clicking on the corresponding logo. You'll be prompted to enter your insurer account credentials. Make sure to input the required information accurately. Once you've entered your credentials, click the Connect button. After the connection is established, go back to the dashboard. Now, access the COI generation section within BetterCloud. Select the document type you want to generate. Choose the specific template that aligns with your requirements. Fill in the necessary details for the certificate of insurance. Ensure all fields are properly completed to avoid errors. Review the information you've entered for accuracy. Once confirmed, click on the Generate button. The COI will be created and displayed for your review. Next, navigate to the options for sending the COI. Select the method you prefer, whether email or direct download. If emailing, input the recipient's email address. Include any additional notes if needed. Finally, confirm the sending process. Your COI will be sent or downloaded as per your selection. This completes the setup for COI generation with BetterCloud and Insurer portals. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.